Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell your seed token on MEXC. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. This is the home page of MEXC. There you can see the home page, and what you have to do next for you to go over to trade. Yeah, look at it here, and at the upside you're going to see BTC/USDT. So let's go over to BTC/USDT. Over there, let me go over to there. You have to just tap it here and this will come out. You're going to see search, and what you're going to search here, you're going to search in seed. Let me type in seed, and you're going to see it over there, seed USDT. And what you have to do next is for you to go over to sell. You can see the hours counting there is many 16 hours before the listing. Over there you're going to see limits. Let me go over to limit, and here you're going to see market, stop limit, and OCD. You have to go over to market because you're about to sell it. You're about to sell your seed, and here you're going to see amount and total. You can put the amount of seed you want to sell. Yes, you can put the amount which should be greater than 1 USDT, should be more than 1 USDT. And me, I don't have any seed on my MEXC, so I can't really put the seed which I want. At this site too, you can slide it to the amount, the percentage you want to sell. You can slide it to 100%, 50%, 20%, or you can do it anyone if you wish to sell, or you can keep some of the seed. Whatever one you want to do is okay. And when you are done choosing the amount or the percentage you wish to sell, what you have to do next for you to go over to sell seed, you're going to see it over there, sell seed here. When you tap on sell seed, your seed will be sold. That is how you can sell your seed token or your seed coins on MEXC. This is how it's done. It's very simple. Guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.